Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide active now status on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my Instagram application and we can go to the Instagram setting. You can click on your profile first and then click on these three lines on the top right. And here you have to go to the messages and the story replies option. Okay, then go to the show activity status, and if you want to hide your active now status on Instagram, you have to turn off this show activity status feature. Okay, now it's done, and after that the active now status on your Instagram will be hidden from your followers. Alright guys, and that's all the way to hide active now status on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.